Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable second space in your POCO smartphone. If you have not enabled the second space, how you can just click on the uh, settings option. You can see this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings, swipe down, you can see additional settings. You can see here second space, or you can simply search it over the search bar. Second space, like this you have to type, click on the second space, and here it is turn on, and it is creating a new space like this. And you can choose guest mode, and you can add another owner like this. It is switching to 2 spaces 1 device. And friends, you can see a new device has been created successfully. You can see this. Switch between spaces, and you can use the password like this. Just press back, and friends, you can see it is a new space. It is a empty. Here you can use 2 peoples can use 1 mobile, multi users can use 1 mobile. You can use it is a guest mode, and you can sign up. And if you want to go to your owner, then go to settings, and then you have to search here second space, like this. And friends, then you have to click on the second space like this, and here it is created successfully. Continue this, and you can see this. Or you can set a password in a second space. Just skip this, click on the second space, and then you have to just turn off this. And friends, then you have to just swipe down, and you have to just click on delete second space, and then you have to click on continue. Or you can move to this like this. You can see, friends, you can see it is the owner, and it has been switched successfully. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.